A lot of your neighbors and probably plenty of you spent today preparing for the predicted weekend storm. The 22 News storm team's forecasting snow to start Saturday and continue to fall well into Sunday. So it's a good idea to stock up on food and prepare for possible power outages. Friday night, people were stocking up, preparing for a weekend of snow and getting stuck indoors.
We're staying off the roads if it's snowing.
Parts of western Massachusetts might get buried beneath more than a foot of snow this weekend. Eversource Energy said they have teams of line workers and tree crews ready to respond in the event of a power outage. If you end up having to plug in your generator this weekend, the fire department has some suggestions ahead of the first storm of the year.
The biggest thing is to make sure you keep your generators far away from your house, 5 to 10 feet at least away from the house, and not next to any windows.
The snow is expected to arrive Saturday night and intensify quickly, with heavier accumulations expected to the west and north. A Springfield woman who drives for Uber said once it really starts sticking, she's staying off the roads.
If it's like a little 2 to 3 inches, I don't mind, but if it gets higher than that, no. My life is more important than doing Uber.
Eastern Hampden County is expected to see the lowest snowfall amounts, with the Berkshires projected to get as much as 14+ inches.